French craftsmanship has brought to life a wonderful, one-level tiny house on wheels for Karina, a pony breeder. The idea of a pony is one of the cutest looks at tiny living. The house is just over 6 meters long. In terms of configuration, it goes back to basics with a simple single-level layout, except for the bathroom, which is hidden behind sliding doors. All the main living areas are part of one open concept space with no partial walls or panels to create separation.An unobstructed line of sight from one end of the house to the other makes the interior feel bigger and wider. Two large picture windows effectively blur the boundary between indoor and outdoor space. It reminds us of the trendy glamping tiny houses in exotic locations that are so popular today. The absence of attic bedrooms and no stairs or ladders for access makes things easier in terms of comfort and safety for the owners, and further opens up the interior. You'll also notice the impressive full-height cabinets on the sides of the bathroom. One conceals a versatile pull-out pantry, a great addition for kitchen storage year-round. Light-colored wood trim gives this tiny home a rustic charm, although it doesn't need a sophisticated living room. The tiny house contains charming vintage furnishings with rattan chairs and a wood stove. This pleasant little oasis for relaxation and enjoyment creates a seamless transition from the more intimate bedroom to the social cooking area. As for the kitchen, the same open and light effect was achieved by eliminating bulky upper cabinets in favor of rustic shelving and a sophisticated open cabinet, together with a vintage-style mirror and a simple wooden dressing table. These rustic shelves add a special artisanal touch to the small bathroom, equipped with a waterless toilet and standard shower.